Hello, I'm eco-artist Sarah Turner and I'm going to show you how to create some upcycled stars which are going to be exhibited at the History of Science Museum in Oxford. So in this video we'll learn how to create CD stars. So we'll take 3 CDs and turn them into this beautiful star that you can hang on the tree or attach to Christmas lights. The lights will then reflect off of the CD in beautiful patterns. So what you'll need to make the CD stars are 3 CDs per star, a pair of scissors. You also need a Sharpie sort of permanent pen marker. You can either use a ruler and a glue gun if you're at home and have those items available, or at the Science Museum we have some templates to help us create the shape and a little thing we call star stoppers we named. But if you don't have those, you're at home, the glue gun and the ruler will work just as well. So we're going to start with our CD and Sharpie marker and just mark out how we'd like to make the cuts on the CD. If you're at the History of Science Museum, we have these templates to help you. You need 2 of this shape and 1 of this. They're slightly different. The slits go one on either side for this one and then just 1 long one on this one. So if you're at the Science Museum, you can pop that on and draw around it. But if you're at home, you don't have those, I'll show you what you can do with the ruler instead. So instead, I would mark out the very sort of north, south, east and west of the CD. And then if you imagine the point in between, there. Doesn't have to be exactly spot on, but you can see I've done very north, south, east and west of that, and then sort of in between on the actual circle on the inside. And then from there you can get a ruler and then you're drawing the points to the circle and then back out to the points that you drew. There we go. Next we're going to cut out along the lines to make our star. So you do need a very good pair of scissors to be able to kind of get through the CD. So do make sure you're using a really sort of sharp pair. There we go. Next is cutting the slot down the centre. Now that is probably the trickiest part. You want it basically to be the width, like the thickness of the CD, so it can't just be cutting a straight line. You do have to cut 2 lines and then try and remove the piece at the top. So let's give that a go. This bit's probably the trickiest, getting the scissors in. To remove that piece. So that's one of my pieces. I've made 2 more. So 2 of this type and 1 of that type. So how you assemble them is you think of that as being the middle part, and then 1 goes at the top and 1 goes at the bottom. So let's start with this one going at the top. See, that goes quite easily. This is the tricky bit. Turn it over and then try and get this down the centre. There we go. So that's all nicely assembled. What you'll notice is the star, it can kind of fold up still. So you want to kind of make it so that it's always presented in a nice way like that, so all the points are sort of splayed outwards. So there's 2 ways you can do that. At the History of Science Museum we have these little things that we've cut out which you can pop on the top, and then that will separate each one of them nicely like so. We put 1 on the top and 1 at the bottom. and then pop a little bit of glue around it. So this doesn't come off really, but then the glue will make sure it doesn't come off again. But appreciate if you're at home, you don't have those bits and bobs. So what you can do instead is just with your glue gun, pop a little bit of glue in between each bit, and then the glue gun dries within, I don't know, 30 seconds or a minute. So once that's dry, that'll be nice and keep all the points where we want them to be. If you don't have a glue gun, then the glue that I used earlier would also work. It's just, it takes a while to dry, so you might be stood there for a while, or you could like prop it up somewhere, so it would still work. There we go, here's our CD star.